guys, how are you? It's Lindy and welcome to my damaged hair. Oh hey, wait, when I upload this video, it is the new year. So Happy New Year everybody! Welcome to 2020, the year where I'm going to try and reverse all the damage that I have done to my hair in 2019. And it is a lot of damage, so I probably am going to need an entire year to try and fix it. If you have seen my last video, you know that I completely destroyed my hair by accident. This wasn't planned, okay? I tried to remove the hair color from my hair without using bleach, because bleach is the devil, so I tried to look up alternative methods that aren't damaging to the hair. And I used one, and guess what? My hair was completely fried. It is still fried. It is so dead. I tried to be responsible, but it didn't work out. So, what I'm going to try and do today is I'm going to try and give my hair a little bit of its life back. Because honestly, it's so bad right now. I still don't get it. I still don't get it. So I actually asked you if you had any methods to make my hair alive again. And a lot of you told me that I should give my hair a protein treatment. Because I don't have any protein in my hair anymore. So I'm going to try this Aphogee protein treatment. And I've seen a lot of videos and reviews of people using this stuff, and it all looked amazing and everybody was very excited about it. So I guess my hair is gonna feel better at the end of the video, but knowing me, there's also a possibility that I don't have hair anymore at the end of this video. So yeah, let's just put some protein in my hair. I've actually used this method before, about like 3 years ago now, I think. And the thing that I didn't know back then was that it is possible to have too much protein in your hair. So you're only supposed to use this stuff like once every 4 to 6 weeks. And I didn't know it back then. So what I did is I used this very intense protein treatment twice in 1 week. And you know what happened? All my hair broke off. So what I'm not going to do today is I'm not going to use this more than once. And hopefully it will then actually work. So let's get started. Okay, so let me just quickly show you my hair before I use this treatment so we can get like a before and after. So this is my hair right now. I have a lot, as you can see, and it's so dry. It is so dry. Let me just get a black background so it's easier to see. But look. Oh no. Look at all those split ends. Oh no. It's so bad. So let me just read the instructions and see what I need to do. Literally the first thing that's on the bottle is caution, for professional use only. Okay, it says that I should wash my hair and apply this stuff on towel dry hair, but it does not say how long I should leave it in my hair, which is kind of weird because this is a very intense treatment. So I don't know if I have to leave it on for like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 2 hours. I have no idea. I am aware that my hair color is looking crazy right now, but please ignore that. Okay, I'm going to dye next week. Okay. Got my treatment right here. Choo choo choo, choo choo choo, choo choo choo, choo choo choo, choo choo choo. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to put my treatment in my bottle, because then I can just like spritz it into my hair. It's easier. So let's just do that right now. Ooh, ooh, ooh. As you can see, it looks very liquidy. It also kind of looks like the piss of someone who doesn't drink enough water, which is me. I'm so excited. I hope I have normal people hair after this. That would be amazing. My spray bottle doesn't work. What? Oh wait. Ah, there was a lock on there. Okay, let's continue. But the thing with this stuff is that it actually hardens. So you need to work pretty fast, because otherwise you can't really brush through it anymore. So let's just quickly do like this. Then use a wide tooth comb to brush it through. Because it's already getting like sticky and gross. I really wish I had a better spray bottle than this. But yeah, okay. Oh my god, I need to work so fast. And I still have no idea how long I should actually keep this in my hair. Which is gonna be a problem, I think. Okay, I got all the stuff in my hair. Now I just need to quickly comb through it with the wide tooth comb. It's still so wet, my hair. Oh my god. I need to have a towel. Okay, this is better. You know, my entire neck is getting sticky. Very carefully comb it through. What do I need to do now? Oh yeah, I remember. Now I am going to get my blow dryer and blow dry my hair, because this stuff activates when it's under heat, I think, something like that. So you need to get your blow dryer and then blow dry your hair, but you need to do it very carefully, because otherwise your hair is gonna snap off. So I wonder what is gonna happen to me today. Got my blow dryer and I'm going to blow dry my hair. Sorry Pablo, you're gonna get scared, but it's only gonna take like 5 minutes, so don't worry. Okay, so I have been blow drying my hair for over 20 minutes by now. And all my hair is dry and oh my god, it looks and feels crazy. Look. It's so hard right now. That's what she said. By the way, if you're going to do this at home, please don't touch your hair when it's hard, because then you're going to ruin it. Yeah, I looked up online how long you're supposed to keep this stuff in your hair, and you're just supposed to keep it in your hair until it's hard. So right now it is very hard. So now I'm just going to rinse all this stuff out, and then I'm going to put the balancing moisturizer in there. Oh, I don't think you guys realize how tempted I am to just like take a strand of hair and just snap it in half. Like, I just really want to do that. I know I shouldn't do it, but I just really want to snap my hair in half. But I'm not going to do it, okay? Don't worry, I'm not going to do it. So, okay, wait. I'll be right back. Look at this little piece over here. Cute. Snap it? Snap it? No, not snap it. Snap it? No, not snap it. Okay, I'll be right back. It is the next day and I am suddenly very sick. So my throat is literally like falling apart right now. So I can't really talk a lot, I think. Pablo's acting crazy as well. Pablo! Don't do that. But anyway, let's just talk about my hair. Because I have something to tell you guys. Which is something that I did not expect. But it happened. And that is, my hair feels so good right now. It's so crazy. My hair feels so much better. It, like, the difference is actually insane. It feels like it's a lot stronger right now, because my hair always felt kind of like mushy and stuff, but it feels pretty strong, and it also feels like pretty damn soft, which again is so weird. I mean, it did. Pablo! What's wrong with you? It didn't fix all my problems. My hair is of course like damaged. I mean, the ends are still pretty split. I still have some pretty split ends. And there's still like some random hair sticking out here and there. But I didn't really expect this stuff to fix everything. But if I just compare it to what it was before I put the protein treatment in my hair, the difference is fucking insane. I mean, you can already see it, right? Look at this. This is my hair right now. It looks so much better. It honestly looks so much better. What? Also, this is not sponsored, by the way, obviously. I'm just very excited because now I know that I can just fuck up my hair because I can just fix it again with some protein. So yeah, this was today's protein treatment experiment. Honestly, I'm gonna give this method 5 out of 5 Pablos because it's so good. It's so good. It is kind of annoying to put in your hair though because it like sticks everywhere. I mean, you definitely need to wear like a towel because it's like gooey, sticky stuff. But I mean, you're only supposed to use it like 1 every 6 weeks. So I guess it's not... I mean, I wouldn't want to do this every week, but once every 6 weeks is totally fine. Like, it's not that big of a deal. I also use the balancing moisturizer because once you rinse this out, you have to use the balancing moisturizer on your hair. But I don't know, I don't feel like this really does anything. It's just a conditioner. I think you can just use the one that you have at home already. I mean, don't quote me on that, but I don't think that this is like, that you really need to have this. It's just a conditioner. Anyways, thank you all so much for recommending a protein treatment to me because it literally saved my life. My hair, not my life. That's a little bit too extreme. So if you have any other methods that you think that I should try, then please leave them in the comments down below because then I can make more videos like this and then we can all try and figure out how to fix our broken hair. Oh god. I really need to shut up right now. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and on my YouTube if you do not follow me yet. And I really want to thank you guys for watching and hope to see you in my next video. And I am going back to sleep right now because I feel terrible. Bye!